Yung ang liit-liit ng pwede mong mapala, pero ang laki-laki ng nakataya, ang laki ng pwedeng mawala sa'yo. Hindi dapat tayong pumapasok sa ganung mga risks. When there is too little gain for too much investment. Yung napakalaki ng mawawala, tapos itataya mo, baka sakali, tapos nagkalugi-lugi ka. Those risks that endanger and threaten and minimize what's truly important. Halimbawa, mistakes that could destroy loving relationships. Tulad ng binanggit natin kanina. Yung masira yung pagmamahalan nyo, pagtitiwalaan ninyo, dahil lang sa isang konting saya o konting kaaliwan, it's not worth the risk. What else is a foolish mistake? Those mistakes that could destroy lifelong investments and savings. Yung ang tagal-tagal mong inipon, tapos na papaniwala ka ng isang matamis magsalita na pag lahat yung investment, pera mo, in-invest mo sa isang negosyo, biglang madodoble na yan in 1 week. Yung ang tagal-tagal mong inipon, i-risk mo na ganon. That could be a very foolish risk to take. What else is a foolish